Stay positive. Keep your chin up.
Keep your chin up.
Keep your chin up.
Meantime, keep your chin up. Here. And keep your chin up.
I can't take it anymore. I've had it up to here.
I've had it up to here.
I've had it up to here.
I've had it up to here with you. I've had it up to here with Good Burger. I've had it up to here with you.
That's not important. That's neither here nor there.
It's neither here nor there.
Neither here nor there.
But that's 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 neither here nor there.
It's too late to change it now. The ship has sailed.
That ship has sailed.
That ship has sailed.
That ship has sailed.
No, that ship has sailed.
That ship has sailed.
That ship has sailed, amigo.
That ship has sailed.
He ruined everything. He threw a wrench in the works.
He threw a wrench in your works.
Did I throw a wrench in your works?
I'm not trying to throw a wrench in the works.
It's too complicated. It's all Greek to me.
It's all Greek to me.
It's all Greek to me.
It's all Greek to me, Fulbright.
We're thinking the same thing. Great minds think alike.
Great minds think alike.
Great minds think alike.
Great minds think alike.
Never mind, great minds think alike.
Oh.
Hey.
Great minds think alike.
It's not going to happen. When pigs fly.
When pigs fly.
When pigs fly.
When pigs fly.
Yeah, when pigs fly.
And pigs fly.
When pigs fly.
He told me something shocking. He dropped a bombshell.
Pop dropped a bombshell on me.
Drop a bombshell like this?
LD just dropped a bombshell on us.
You can't just drop a bombshell like this. So
Don't drop a bombshell like that this close to a wedding.
No, that's
Be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
Rome wasn't built in a day, was it?
Come on now. Rome wasn't built in a day.
Let's get serious now. Let's get down to brass tacks.
Let's get down to brass tacks. I think that we might be in trouble.
Okay, let's get down to brass tacks here, guys.
Let's get down to brass tacks.
Let's get down to brass tacks.
Let's get down to brass tacks. Josh can stay.
Thank God.
Let's get down to brass tacks.
Yes.
He's in charge. He calls the shots.
And he calls the shots.
Sammy, he called the shots.
Dates, and I call the shots.
He calls the shots.
He calls the shots.
You see, Robert here, he calls the shots, and we just go along for the ride.
Oh.
He calls the shots.
You're bragging too much. Don't toot your own horn.
I know you don't toot your own horn, so I'll do it for you.
Well, I don't like to toot my own horn.
I don't mean to toot my own horn here, but
I don't like to toot my own horn, but
That's a ridiculous excuse. That's a load of baloney.
Ah, that's a lot of baloney.
That's a load of baloney, Paul.
That's a load of baloney.